A complete migration would include emails, contacts, calendars, and offline storage. This tutorial shows how to export offline storage folders. On the left, you can see the storage folders that we want to export from Windows Live Mail. In Outlook, we must add a data file corresponding to those storage folders. We want to get to the screen to manage data files in Outlook. Click File, and the window on the right will open. Click Account Settings to open a drop-down list, and click Account Settings again. Make sure the active tab is Data Files and not Email. Remember how you got here, because we will be coming back to this screen. Then click on the Add button. In our Documents folder, we have a subfolder named Outlook Files. We will create the data file named kenlocalstorage.pst. Very important. We must make Ken Local Storage the default in data files. Simply select Ken Local Storage and click the button Set as Default. Later, we will change this default to our normal Outlook account. Forewarning, this process will create a bogus calendar. We will solve that problem later. Okay, we're ready to export the storage folders from Windows Live Mail. The exported data will automatically be copied to the default data file in Outlook. That is why we were so careful setting that default data file. If the default file was incorrectly set to a real email account, then Outlook would go crazy trying to sync with the email server. So, in Windows Live Mail, click File, then Export Email, then Email Messages as shown on the left. The window on the right will appear. Choose Microsoft Exchange and click Next. Choose the radio button for selected folders. Scroll to the storage folders and select all the storage folders that you want to export. Note that you must select subfolders even if the parent folder was selected. On the right, you see what folders I selected. Note that 3 folders were left unselected. They will not be exported. Click OK after you have selected the folders you want to be exported. These slides do not show it, but Windows Live Mail will show progress bars as each folder is exported. When the export is complete, you should open Outlook, and you will see the folders under Ken Local Storage. We are almost done. In Outlook, go back to the screen to manage data files. Change the default data file to your normal Outlook account. Congratulations! We are done unless we want to get rid of the bogus calendar associated with Ken Local Storage. The rest of this tutorial explains how we can get rid of the bogus calendar. We wish we could simply right-click the calendar in Outlook and remove it, but we can't. So, let's see what we need to do. On the right, you can see the general plan. In Outlook, we will create another data file named Ken Storage. For each folder in Ken Local Storage, we must move the folder to Ken Storage. Finally, we remove the Ken Local Storage from data files. Since the bogus calendar is associated with Ken Local Storage, that calendar will get removed. Here is the end result. All of our exported folders are in the Outlook folder, Ken Storage. The bogus calendar is gone. That concludes this tutorial. Have a great day.